After a long day at work, you come home to find your furry friend has been up to mischief. Scolding often fails to make them understand their behavior is wrong. What tool can help you effectively communicate that certain actions are unacceptable? Introducing the Ultrasonic Dog Trainer, a top seller on major platforms across Europe and America. This innovative device uses safe ultrasonic frequencies to create a mild discomfort, instantly interrupting unwanted behaviors without harm. More than just training. Built-in flashlight for nighttime visibility. Dog deterrent mode to ward off stray dogs. Compact and easy to use. Walking alone at night. Encounter stray dogs. With this device, you have nothing to fear.